Let's work those legs and glutes with the sumo squat using a resistance band. Start by placing the resistance band securely under both feet, which should be wider than shoulder width apart, with your toes pointed slightly outward. Hold the handles or ends of the band in front of your body with a firm grip. Make sure there's enough tension in the band so you feel resistance as you come up from the squat. This is key for effectively targeting your glutes, quads, and inner thighs. Now, lower yourself into a squat by pushing your hips back and bending at the knees, keeping your chest up and core engaged. Be sure your knees track over your toes without collapsing inward, and go as low as you can while maintaining good form. Your weight should stay in your heels, and you should feel the stretch in your inner thighs and glutes. As you rise, press through your heels and feel the resistance in the band, squeezing your glutes at the top. Perform 10 to 12 reps, keeping a controlled pace and maintaining tension on the band throughout the movement for maximum benefit. Remember, perfect form is crucial. Stay steady and focused, and ensure the band is providing enough resistance to challenge your muscles effectively.